Good afternoon, student. Today we will study about the larger questions for 4 marks. Double fertilization. You know fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male gamete with female gamete. That is called as fertilization. Now here in plants, in flowering plants, in angiosperms, two times fertilization occur. So that fertilization is called as double fertilization. Double fertilization. What is double fertilization? Now here diagram for double fertilization. All of you know pollination. Pollination means transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. You know stigma, style and ovary, that are the three parts of gynoecium. Stigma, style and ovary, that are the parts of gynoecium. Now after pollination, pollen grain that falls on stigma, pollen grain that falls on stigma, it absorbs sugary substance from that stigma and passes through that style. Pollen grain, after absorbing sugary substance, it is swollen. After that, it forms a tube called as pollen tube. You know, in male gametophyte, we already studied the pollen tube, how it forms. That pollen tube from pollen grain that goes through style reaches up to ovary and enters within ovule. In earlier period, we already studied the structure of ovule. Micropyle, that is the opening of ovule, where integuments not covered the embryo sac. That opening of ovule, that is called as micropyle. That pollen tube comes out from pollen grain that enters within ovary, again enters within ovule present in ovary, maybe through the micropyle called as porogamy, that may be through the integuments called as mesogamy, or that may be entered through the chaliza, that is called as chalizogamy. Means pollen tube comes out from pollen grain that enters within ovule, maybe through chaliza called chalizogamy, through integuments called mesogamy, through micropyle called porogamy. Now here, you know structure of female gametophyte or embryo sac, 7-celled nucleated structure. We already studied in last period. 3 antipodal cells towards chaliza line, 3 eggs apparatus containing larger eggs, 2 small synergids towards micropillar end, and in the center secondary nucleus, which is binucleated structure. Now after entering that pollen tube within embryo sac or female gametophyte, that pollen tube enters through one of the synergids, and released male gametes within that female gametophyte or embryo sac, and that it released what? Male gametes. You know, in pollen tube, 2 male gametes present. That 2 male gametes from pollen tube that enters within that female gametophyte or embryo sac. You know, male gametes are non-motile. Non-motile means they cannot move, they cannot swim. They are non-motile. They are released. That 2 male gametes are released within that embryo sac. After releasing 1 male gamete that are fused with eggs, after releasing 2 male gametes in embryo sac or female gametophyte, one male gamete fuses with eggs. Process is called as synegamy. What is synegamy? Maximum of that question asked. What is synegamy? Fusion of one male gamete with eggs. That is called as synegamy. And that synegamy results into formation of zygote. Then formation of zygote occurred. Now here another male gamete remains. Synegamy, that is nothing but the type of fertilization. One male gamete fuses with eggs to form zygote. That is the synegamy. You know fertilization, fusion of male gamete with female gamete. Male gamete, pollen grain, female gamete, eggs, fusion of male gamete with eggs. That is called as fertilization. That process is synegamy process. Result into formation of zygote. Now another male gamete that fuses with secondary nucleus. Another male gamete that fuses with secondary nucleus to form pen. To form pen. Not that pen. To form pen. Pen means primary endosperm nucleus. For the formation of pen or how pen formed? Question asked. Short question. For one answer sentence. How pen can be formed? Pen means primary endosperm nucleus. That pen or primary endosperm nucleus that is formed by the fusion of second male gamete or fusion of second male gamete with the secondary nucleus. With the secondary nucleus. Second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus to form pen, primary endosperm nucleus. First male gamete fuses with eggs. Process is called as synegamy, fertilization, resulting to formation of zygote. And second male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus to form primary endosperm nucleus. And that pen, primary endosperm nucleus, afterward that develops into or that forms the embryo, which is edible, and zygote develops into embryo. Zygote develops into embryo. Male gamete fuses with eggs to form zygote. Zygote develops into embryo. Second male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus to form pen, and pen develop into endosperm. Here, during first fertilization, embryos form, and during second fertilization, endosperm formed. Thus, here in flowering plants or in angiosperm, 2 times fertilization occurred. So that is called as double fertilization. What is double fertilization? Explain diagrammatically. Long answered question. What is double fertilization? Explain diagrammatically. What is double fertilization? In angiosperm or flowering plants, 2 times fertilization occurred. First, male gamete with eggs called as synegamy to form zygote developed into embryo. That is the first fertilization. Second male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus to form pen, primary endosperm nucleus, developed into formation of endosperm, which is edible. That is the second fertilization. Thus, here in angiosperm, 2 times fertilization occurred, called as double fertilization. In short, what is double fertilization? Definition of double fertilization: in flowering plants, 2 times fertilization occurred. First male gamete fuses with eggs, second male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus. Thus, here 2 times fertilization occurred, called as double fertilization. For diagram, you must know the diagram of ovule. Here, diagram of ovule, internal, and ovule present in ovary. Diagram of gynoecium. You know gynoecium? Ovary, style, stigma. Simple diagram. Ovary, style, and stigma. Diagram of gynoecium. And you know, after pollination, pollen will fall from stigma. Pollen will form pollen tube. Pollen tube carrying male gamete. enter maybe through micropyle, maybe through integument, mesogamy, middle, through integument, mesogamy, or maybe through chalazogamy. After entering colon tube within embryo sac, it releases two male gamete. One fuses with eggs called as synegamy, resulting into formation of zygote. Afterwards, zygote developed into embryo. Second male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus, result into formation of pending primary endosperm nucleus, and that developed into endosperm. Thus here in flowering plants or angiosperm, 2 times fertilization occurred. That fertilization is called as double fertilization. That is the double fertilization. Definition: 2 times fertilization over double fertilization, and explanation of that diagram. You know here stigma, style, ovary. Here from pollen grain, tube comes out. Tube is called as pollen tube. That tube enters within embryo sac. Here 2 male gametes released. One fuses with eggs, another with secondary nucleus. One fuses with eggs, result into formation of zygote, developed into embryo. Another fuses with secondary nucleus, formation of primary endosperm nucleus, developed into edible embryo. Thus, after that, what happens? That ovary wall that developed into fruit, and seed, endosperm, whatever there, that is from the ovule. That is the explanation about the double fertilization that carry on in flowering plants. Okay, boys, you can here draw the diagram. Most important diagram. Maximum time that diagram or what is double fertilization explain. That is asked in board paper. Thank you.